How to create photo grid in Picsart. If you love symmetry, you'll love this. Here's how to create a clean photo grid in Picsart. First, go to Collage and from the left menu, select Grid Layout option. Upload the photos you want to include. You can pick up to 10 depending on the layout. Picsart will automatically arrange them into a grid. Use the tools to adjust border thickness, round corners, and choose the grid style. Once it's laid out just right, click Apply and export your polished photo grid. How many photos do you usually include in your grids? 4, 6, or more? Let me know in the comments below. Stick to vertical or square images for the cleanest and most balanced look in your grid. And that's how you can create photo grid in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.